Start by creating a repeatable restroom scent plan that guarantees consistent, fresh results every visit. Begin with a baseline assessment of each restroom to identify persistent odor sources like drains, urinals, and hidden buildup. Use a layered approach. A neutral pH enzymatic drain treatment once a week to break down organic residues, daily application of a toilet bowl cleaner that leaves a light, non-overpowering fragrance, and scented surface disinfectants on high-touch areas to maintain a continuous, pleasant aroma. Rotate scent profiles on a weekly or bi-weekly schedule so occupants do not become nose-blind and so lingering background odors do not mask new issues. Train staff to perform quick midshift touch-ups such as spraying and neutralizing air mist in high-traffic stalls, wiping the base of fixtures where splashes accumulate, and checking for forgotten personal items that can trap smells. Keep a restroom log with time-stamped entries for cleaning actions, products used, and any corrective measures so you can correlate techniques with client feedback and refine the plan. Store products in clearly labeled containers and provide technicians with portion control tools like calibrated dilution bottles to ensure consistent product strength and scent intensity. Common problems start with overuse of heavy perfumes that trigger complaints from occupants sensitive to scent. Fix that by choosing light fragrance concentrations and offering unscented options where requested. Another issue is source masking, where surface sprays only hide the smell instead of treating it. Solve this by combining enzymatic drain care and periodic deep scrubbing of grout and under rim areas to remove the source. A third frequent concern is inconsistent application by different cleaners, which produces variable results. Remedy this with a simple checklist, standardized dilution ratios, and short, practical training sessions where staff practice the routine until it is automatic. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners find local contractors who offer cleaning and maintenance services and to help contractors get matched with new work opportunities. Our site also hosts an active discussion community where both homeowners and service providers share tips, ask questions, and post real-world experiences about keeping restrooms fresh and well-maintained.